Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to work on a new kata. This kata introduces the simple with statement. So for this challenge, we will need to create a select statement, and this select statement will use an in to check whether a department has had a sale with a price over $90. But the SQL must use the with statement, which will be used to select all columns from sales where price is greater than 90. Okay, so the with statement is a very special, useful statement where we can query a table and give it a name so that you can join with that table. So, for example, in this kata, we have the department table schema, the sale table schema, and the resultant table schema must have the ID and the name. So first, in the with statement, we can let's just write the select all from sales where we have price greater than 90. Okay, so this is the subquery right here. So let's just take a look at this. Okay, so we have in this sale table, we have the ID, the department ID, name, okay, of the item, the price, okay, so and other stuff. So the instruction is we have to use as in. So okay, so to use the with, we can just do this with, and then we can call this subquery special sales. So we can do with special sale as, okay, and this is enclosed in parentheses. Okay, so when we have this, we can call select something. So what is it we need? Use an in to check whether the department had a sale with a price. So department ID. So since the department ID is in the sale table, we can do select all from department where so ID int, and this in clause would be selects department ID, and from special sale. So let's just put it in a new line there. Okay, so basically for the with statement right here, we can this is a subquery where we can use in subsequent query that we can just call it here. So for this to work, we have to define the special sales be like prior to this query as well. So let's take a look at the results. Zero from department, no rows return, relation department, or is it departments? Okay. So this is very simple and a powerful way to use subquery and with as well. And not only this, we can like train multiple subquery and just connect them, separate them by a comma. So we can, this is a special sales, and then if you want another subquery, you can do like a sample s, and then you can do whatever you want here. I don't know, select something from sales, select card name from sales where price is greater than 90, something like that. And then from so since we define these two subquery, so in this main query right here, we can use it to either join, we can do join like this from department, and we can do join sample on I don't know, on something. So in this case, I didn't define, just define this sample well enough to join, but we can, do join on the special cells, on d.id equals special cell dot department ID, I think. So it's just another way to do this, but the key thing to take away is this width here is very flexible, and we can just use it to query multiple times from different tables, and then in the main query we can very easily join these together, and we have to define the subquery before we can use it in the main query. So hopefully this is helpful, and let me know in the comment if you like this, and make sure to like this video. Thank you so much.